Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you find deleted friends on Snapchat. So first and foremost, all you have to do is to open or launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. Now go to your friends list. So let's just say you have accidentally deleted a friend here. So you have no intentions to delete him or her, and you wanted him or her to be your friend again. So you want to add this person. So how are you going to locate or to see this deleted friends here? So the very first thing you should do, because I will be showing you a few methods here. So the first method is you just have to go to the search bar and then type that person's name, or let's just say username again. But this only implies if you know the person's name or username. So what if you have forgotten this person's name or username? So as you can see, all I have to do is to click this plus icon. Then I have added this friend again. But for those who have forgotten this person's username or name, so the next method I'm going to show you is to simply click this plus icon and then go to quick add. Somehow, if you scroll down here, most of these people know you, or maybe you have mutual friends with them. So maybe you can see that person you have accidentally deleted, or a friend who have accidentally deleted. Now, if you can't find that person or that friend here, the next thing or the last method I'm going to show you is to click this three dots at the top right corner and then click this ignored. So here's my friend, because this is where you can find Snapchatters whose friend ad you have ignored or might hide. So that's it. Now you can also go to recently added and you might see that deleted friend here. These are a few methods on how to simply find deleted friends on Snapchat. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.